Ace Sign Company is a national sign manufacturer based in Springfield, Illinois. Ace was established in 1940 by my great-grandfather. We're now in our 4th generation as a sign company. We're actually in our 6th generation as sign makers and the family, going back to horse carriage decorating in the 1860s, so there's a lot of history there. We have a lot of trades under one roof, so throughout the facility you'll see a variety of tasks being completed. One sign can go through our shop and touch 50 different hands, so everybody's kind of involved in that process from start to finish. It's how we have a concept turn into reality all here in one space. As you walk through Ace Sign Company, you'll start in the museum area. There's a collection of about 85 historic neon signs. Each sign kind of tells a story and everybody has a connection with each one, so it's a fun tour. We feel it's important to continue with the museum, really to appreciate the nostalgia, to not forget where we came from. Our facility in general and our team have embraced blending innovation and craftsmanship. So as you go through our facility, you'll see modern techniques, modern machinery, as well as old school techniques that are still used today. Ultimately, our mission is to build signs that inspire.